Welcome to MathMaster. Today we will see more integration from Calculus book by James Stewart. It is example from 11 to 23 from page number 413. Okay, so this one you are doing the integration of x minus 1 into square root 2x plus x square. So you take u equal to 2x plus x square, then you do the du dx. So du dx equal to 2 plus 2x. So take 2 common, you have 1 plus x in the bracket, divide both side by 2 so that you get 1 plus dx, 1 plus x dx this side equal to du by 2. So now you can replace this x plus 1 dx by du by 2 and 2x plus x square by u. So we are using the substitution method. So we substituted u equal to this, and u plus 1 x plus 1 dx is equal to du divided by 2. Now when you integrate u square root, you get u plus u power 1 plus 1 half divided by 1 plus 1 half, and you still have 1 half here plus c. Now this you can substitute back the value of u, which is 2x plus x squared. So 2x plus x square equal to 1 plus 1 half is 3 by 2 divided by 3, because this 2 and 3 by 2 will be cancelled. This 2 and this 2 is cancelled. So you have only 3 here. So that's your example here. This is the next example where you are doing integration of sec square 2 theta d theta. So you take 2 theta equal to u. So du is equal to 2 d theta, and du divided by 2 is equal to d theta. So you replace d theta by du divided by 2 and 2 theta by u. So you got 1 half sec square u du. Now the integration of sec square u is 10u. So that's the easy way you can do it, because you don't know the integration of sec square 2 theta, but you know the integration of sec square u. That's why we replace 2 theta by u, and then you replace again u is equal to 2 theta. That gives you this final answer. This is another example where you have integration of 1 upon 5 minus 3x. So you take this 5 minus 3x equal to u, and du is equal to minus 3 dx. So du divided by minus 3 is equal to dx. So you replace dx by du divided by minus 3, 5 minus 3x by u. So integration of 1 upon u is ln u. You still have minus 1/3 and plus c. Replace u by 5 minus 3x. So you got minus 1/3 ln 5 minus 3x plus c. This is another example where you are doing integration of u into square root of 1 minus u square du. So you take x equal to 1 minus u square. So dx is equal to minus 2u du, because the derivative of u square is 2u. Now you divide both sides by minus 2, so you get u du is equal to dx divided by minus 2. So you have u du here, that you replace by dx divided by minus 2, and square root of 1 minus u square you replace by square root of x. So square root of x is x power 1 half, 1 plus 1 half divided by you still have minus 2 here, and 1 plus 1 half is 3 divided by 2. So that is 3 divided by 2 divided by 3. Now you replace the x is equal to 1 minus u square back, so you get here 3 divided by 2, and this is 3 plus c. So that's your final answer. Now we're doing the integration of trigonometry function sine pi t. So you just replace pi t by x. So dx is equal to pi dt. So dx divided by pi equal to dt. Now you replace pi t by x and dt by dx divided by pi. Now you know the integration of sine x is minus cosine x. So you just replace minus cosine x and replace x by pi by t. So this is your final answer. Now we are doing the integration of e power x cos e power x dx. So you don't know the integration of cos e power x. So take e power x is equal to u and du is equal to e power x dx. So you have e power x dx, that you replace by du, e power x you replace by u. So now you have just integration of cos u du. So that is the sin u plus c. Replace u by e power x again. So you have sin e power x plus c. That's your final answer. This is another example where you are doing integration of e power u divided by 1 minus e whole square. So you take 1 minus e power u equal to x. So minus e power u is equal du is equal to dx. So you already have e power u du, that you replace by minus dx, and 1 minus e power u you replace by x. So you have minus dx upon x square. So that is minus x power minus 2 upon dx, and the integration of x power minus 2 is x power minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 divided by minus 1. So that is 1 upon x plus c. Replace x by 1 minus u e power u, and that's your final answer. This is another example where you have a trigonometric function sine square root x divided by square root x dx. So you know that you don't have the formula for sine square root x. So replace square root x by u. So du is equal to 1 half square root x in the denominator dx. So 2 du is equal to dx upon square root x. So you have dx upon square root x, that you replace by du, and square root x you replace by u. So now it's easy, you have a sin u du, which is minus cos u, and replace u by cos x. That's your final answer. Now let's take another example, number 19, where you have a plus bx square upon square root 3ax plus bx cube dx. So you take this is equal to a u, so you substituting this by u. Now take the derivative on both sides, that gives you du is equal to 3a plus 3bx square dx. Now take 3 common here, so you have a plus bx square dx, and bring 3 this side. So du divided by 3 is equal to 3. You have in the denominator a bx square dx, that you replace by du by 3. So you have du by 3, and this you replace by u. So you have the u power minus 1 half du. So that gives you u power 1 half divided by 1 half plus c. You replace u by this back. So you have 1/3 into 2 3ax plus bx cube power 1 half plus c. So that's your final answer. This is the last slide, where you have the integration of z square dz divided by z cube plus 1. So you take u is equal to z cube plus 1. So du is equal to 3z dz. So du divided by 3 is equal to z square dz. So you have z square dz here, that you replace by du by 3. So du by 3, and this you replace by u. So you got 1 upon 3u du. So 1 upon u integration is ln u, and then you replace back the u by g cube plus 1. So this is your final answer. This is another example where you have a ln x square divided by x dx. So you take ln x is equal to u, so 1 upon x is the derivative of ln x, dx is equal to du. So you replace 1 upon x dx by du, so this is your 1 upon x dx, that you replace by du. Ln x you replace by u square, so you got the integration of u square, which is u cube divided by 3 plus c, replace u by ln x, and that's your final answer. This is the last example where you have integration of cosine 4 theta sin theta d theta. So you take u is equal to cos theta, because the derivative of cos theta is sin theta. So you can replace sin theta d theta by minus du. So this is replaced by minus du, and this you replace by u. So you got u4 du, that is u5 divided by 5 plus c, and you replace u back, which is cos 5 theta plus 5 plus c. That's your final answer. Okay, you have one more slide where you have an integration of u plus sine x power 3 upon 2x. So you take u is equal to this, so du is equal to this. So now you replace this by 2 upon 3 du. So you got sine u du, which is cos u, and replace u again back. That's your final answer. Now you this is the another example where you have e power x square root 1 plus 1 plus e power x dx. So let's take 1 plus e power x is equal to du. So du is equal to e power x dx. So you replace e power x dx by du, and this by u. So you got u power 1 half, which is u power 1 half plus 1 divided by 1 half plus 1. Put the u back, so 1 plus e power x power 3 by 2 is your final answer. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more videos. If you have any question, please send us and we will solve it.